Hi from Tosh Tyres. I've got an Audi A6 here on a 2013 plate. Just going to show you how to reset the service light. It's a keyless entry, so if you switch the ignition on, start the car up, right, now it'll tell you in a minute your service is due. So just going to check. There, right, here we go. It's 1200 miles. So I've done the service basically. So the way to reset it, once you've done the service, you've got the car button here, you press the button, you go into car system, which you then need to press this button here. So you got the service check, vehicle settings, so just go into service check. If you want to check the oil level as well, you can check that at the same time. But if you go into service, so it says next oil change in 1200 miles or 11,671. So I'll just press OK. It says yes, so I'll press yes. So the oil change is now reset. If you look at the top there, which is next to the oil change, is in 9,000 miles. That's all you got to do on your car. But before you service, before you do reset it, please do change it. Otherwise, don't bother. Now I've got the bonnet open. There's a bonnet sign, but I'm going to switch the ignition off now again. Start the car up. Just the handbrake on, passenger airbag on, which we're not going to really bother about. That's it. That's all good. So she's all done. Any more information, do let us know and see if we can help you. Thanks for watching our channel. Goodbye.